We're going to cover 5 tips when preparing for a whole home remodel. Stick around, see what you think. Welcome to the J. Angelo Project. I'm Jack Meyer. Remodeling your home is a big decision. It can transform your living space into something extraordinary. Check out these 5 tips to consider when making a whole home remodel. Know what you want to achieve with your whole home remodel. Do you want to modernize your home, improve functionality, create more luxurious space? Outline your objectives and envision how each room will serve your needs and your lifestyle. Decide where you want to spend big and where you want to save if you need to. Check out our free cost guides on our website to learn a little bit more and be more prepared. The link to our cost guides is below in the description. Invest in quality. Quality materials and resources and skilled craftsmanship go a long ways in a whole home remodel. You don't want to look back and regret having sacrificed quality. A whole home remodel can be disruptive, so consider temporary living arrangements. Talk to your builder about schedule and inconveniences so you can be prepared. Future-proofing. This is a big one. Think about where you are now and where you and your family and your lifestyle might be 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now. Designers and builders can work with you to make sure that your home is adaptable for advances in technology. So those are the 5 key considerations when planning for a whole home remodel. Remodeling your entire home is significant, but also rewarding. If you need guidance, feel free to contact us. Check out our website and watch more videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.